Hi, I welcome you all to my channel From-myStudio, and in today's video we are going to see unboxing Daniel Smith watercolors and doing a colored swatch study with it. The Daniel Smith watercolor comes in a neatly packed box. This extra fine watercolor has 24 half pan small cute cubes and it is a hand poured set. This outer box has two small boxes inside. I really like the idea of this white box. They have provided an empty palette box, wherein there are again 24 small empty cubes. We can fill them with colors of our choice and use them as required. There is this actual color, 24 color box, this the other box. The making is exactly same like the other box. Both are identical from outside. And inside it, as you can see, there are 24 colors. They have also given a sticker which gives the name of the color and also the markings of the color, whether it is pigmented or whether it is rated and whether it is transparent. All the markings are provided in the sticker. So this sticker is also very useful, when we are new to the Daniel Smith and new to the order. We can always refer to the sticker and pick the right colors. And also, if you see, we can use the palette as a the box as a palette, but the one side of the palette is not very flat, so the water falls off, so I don't find a particular use in that side. But the other side stays flat and you can always mix some colors and use it as a palette. So that is one use to this box, and it is extremely comfortable and a compact box you can use for travel as well. Whenever we get a new color set, it is always good to do a color swatch study. So I have prepared this watercolor paper with 24 boxes. So what I am going to do is I am going to do a first wash of every color inside the boxes given. What is meant by first wash? By first wash, we are creating a medium watery mixture of the color, and we are starting from one end and we are moving the water puddle or the bead from one end to the other end to make a uniform glaze of this color on the paper. So since this is white color, you may not be able to properly see the color. Now let us go with the black color. Here I am again taking a watery mixture and then starting from one point. So if you can see, there is a water puddle, or there is a small water puddle stagnated at one point. It's very small, so probably I'll take some more water, some more paint and go with it. So I'm making a darker shade at the top, and as I go down I'm just touching the water and I'm filling the rest of the paper. I feel that the color is very light at the top, so I am redoing the process and bringing the water puddle or the water bead from one side to other side. I am not maintaining multiple beads. So this is the method in which you are going to do the first wash, which is nothing but filling the paper, white paper, with the first shade of color. It is called as the first wash. So, and once we are done, the extra water, we have to suck it up, suck the extra water so that it will not form any patterns. So in the same way, I continue to fill the rest of the paper with all the colors. Once this is completed, I will mark the colors with the names and also the properties. This information is available along with the sheet which comes with this set. The sheet has all the colors available in Daniel Smith and different ranges, and also what this key means. So as you can see, from the watercolor swatch, we can make out how intense and how light a color can be, and what are the different greens we can use, and what are the different blues you can use. See, some blues can be used for sky, some can be used for ocean. How saturated a color is, how pigmented a color can be. So all this analysis can be done only from the swatch test you do on a watercolor paper. So it is always advisable to do this swatch test, and and also if possible, if you have the patience, you can also do one more test wherein you can create uh, a color wheel by mixture of two colors. You can just see how many different color combinations that you can create from this. So this is a very good exercise. I hope you benefited from this session. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you're interested. I will continue to post some videos, easy beginner videos, watercolor tips, tutorial videos, time-lapse videos. Please subscribe to my channel if you're interested in such content. Thank you again.